So let's talk about the science of aging. What's the definition of aging? Well, we're looking at the physiological and the biological age. Now, what's the biological age? That has to do with how we are regenerating, how we are staying youthful, how we are keeping from degenerating. So there's a difference between regeneration and degeneration. And with Alphameta, we can regenerate. So what's healthy aging? You know, so much we hear today about anti-aging. Well, I don't believe in anti-aging. We're not going to stop it. What we want to do is we want to enhance it. We want to live to be 90, 100, 120 years old and still have our full functional capabilities, still be healthy, strong, have plenty of energy, plenty of stamina, and our brains functioning very high level. There's no reason why we can't. And so what we're looking at, the WHO, World Health Organization, defines aging as our functional ability to maintain health and wellness throughout our whole life into even older age. What we need to do is we need to maintain our health, our vitality, our mind power, our physical bodies throughout our whole duration of life. We can't avoid aging. It's just going to happen. It's a natural process. But it's not so much about quantity of life as it is about quality of life. That's what's most important, is that we feel good every moment of our life with optimal energy and health. So there's a global health challenge today with premature aging. So what is premature aging? Premature aging is basically the unnatural aging due to our environment, such as free radicals, things we can control, such as our diet and our lifestyle, oxygen deprivation. Oxygen is the key to life. We can go without food for months probably, without water for days, maybe weeks. How long can we go without oxygen? It is so essential for every process in our body. With free radicals and the oxidation that happens in our body, we start to consume, with our body function, less and less oxygen. Oxygen is essential for preventing every disease known to human beings today. It's the fire of life. So it's so important that we detoxify, and in the same process that we regenerate our cells. That's where we get our vitality. That's where we get our stamina, and that's where we get the energy to carry out every body process. And unfortunately, as we get older, that can get lower and lower and lower due to these factors. So what can premature aging cause? Well, let's look at it from an internal perspective and an external. Externally, we're looking at the skin losing its tone, losing its texture, leading to wrinkles and saggy skin. And then at the muscles, the muscle tone, where you have strength in your muscles and power. With premature aging, they may become weaker. Then we look at the tissues, all the tissues in the body, externally. That's one sign. But then you have to look internally as well. Internally, the same thing is happening because those are muscles. You look at all the organs in the body, the liver, the pancreas, and the brain too. Then you look at the hormones, which comes from the glands. With premature aging, those may start to deplete or diminish. We need to empower them. We need to vitalize them so they're performing their functions in the body. And then the bones. Of course, there's so much osteoporosis in the world today as people get older. We don't have to go through that. We can have strong bones our whole life. So the inside is a reflection of the outside. So we're looking at internal and external appearance can show premature aging. One of the causes of premature aging is free radicals. I'm sure everyone's heard of free radicals. What do? Actually, they attack the cells in the body, and they destroy them and make them dysfunctional, and also prevent them from regenerating healthy, vital cells, which run every part of our body. That's what we are. The free radicals are caused by things like toxins in our environment. Smoking is one of the worst. You've got the pollutants in the environment. You've got in the water, in the land, in the soil. That's why it's so important to eat organic as well and to avoid all the chemicals that are in our environment that we can't get away from. But we can do things to help detoxify it, to fight those free radicals with things like antioxidants. Another cause of premature aging, which many of you may have not heard of, it's called leaky gut syndrome. Leaky gut syndrome is a result of these free radicals and toxin accumulation in the system. It affects our overall metabolism, our digestion, and assimilation of nutrients, which can lower our energy. This leaky gut syndrome can lead to inflammation in the body as well as allergies. Inflammation, as I mentioned, is probably the foremost cause of disease in the world today. For instance, with heart disease, you can have high factors such as high cholesterol, high triglycerides, but the key is how much inflammation is happening in those blood vessels, which will affect whether or not you have a heart condition or not. Allergies. Allergies have become so extensive in the world today. You find more and more allergic reactions to so many things in our environment and so many foods. It can lead to things like even autism. So we have to look at how we can lower these inflammation effects on our body. Oxidative stress in the body can lead to low energy. We're looking at lower oxygen levels. Oxygen is like the spark of the fire in a car or whatever it may be. That's what ignites the cell to go through its function, whether it be detoxification, regeneration, rejuvenation, and overall life force. That's what the key is to cellular function and life. And premature aging results in degeneration and illness. What we're looking at there are things like Alzheimer's disease. It's a degenerative disease of the cells dying and not being regenerated fast enough. And things like cancer, things like pulmonary diseases such as hypertension and heart disease, diabetes, kidney function, liver function, all of those can be reduced with premature aging if we're not regenerating and revitalizing all parts of our body and mind. So how do we fight this situation, such as leaky gut? Alphameta. Alphameta has so many benefits. For one, it can reduce overall inflammation and modulate that inflammation. Inflammation is a natural function of the body, but it can be too much or too little. The wonderful thing about Alphameta is how it can modulate or balance in our system the inflammation. So the immune system is functioning at its optimal level. The other thing that Alphameta does is it helps regenerate what are called the microvilli in the intestine. Now, what are those? Those are what help you absorb your food and your nutrients and increasing the overall energy in the body. Those can get destroyed by the free radicals and the toxins in the system. Well, Alphameta can help regenerate those microvilli in the whole intestinal tract. Alphameta can help reduce the gut inflammation. As I mentioned earlier, you've got to have that modulation. Our gut become too inflamed from too many toxins and free radicals in our environment. That's where Alphameta can come in and balance out that condition. One of the keys with better gut function is you get better nutrient absorption. When you have that, then of course you're going to have more energy for every bodily process and mental as well. When you have a better energy supply for whole gastrointestinal and intestinal health, then you can balance things such as diarrhea, constipation. With Alphameta, you can help reduce so many of these symptoms that occur from the inflammation in the intestinal tract. We're looking at there things like nutrient absorption or indigestion, things like diarrhea, and even the allergies that can come about as a result of this leaky gut syndrome. So with that, you create an overall balance in your system for better nutrient utilization and therefore more energy. When I mention energy in the cell, the key to that is what's called ATP. That is the energy source of the cell. All of our energy in our whole body comes from the cell. The key there is the ATP. That's like the gasoline for the engine. You've got to have that in order to create energy. Alphameta provides the ingredients, the bioavailable nutrients that your cell needs, not only to create more energy, but the building blocks to create this ATP. So you get a dual function there of energy and regeneration for the cell, which is key. Alphameta is the perfect solution for ATP production because not only does it provide for the energy in the body with the polysaccharides, but also the polypeptides in a bioavailable form, which helps the cell regenerate, so you get this wonderful dual function of energy and regeneration with the pure ingredients from Alphameta. So I'm sure all of you have heard of antioxidants. There's so many you can get from pills and such, but you have to realize 85% of your daily antioxidant needs your body produces, essentially in the liver. You have to have the right materials in order to form those antioxidants. So why? Antioxidants, they fight free radicals, they fight premature aging, and they fight oxidative stress. So everything we've discussed, antioxidants are essential in the body for fighting these toxins and free radicals and keeping our system optimal and healthy. So with that, what we get is the optimal function of the body for anti-aging. Like I said, we're not going to stop aging, but we can enhance it and improve the overall quality and health of our life. Everybody today is concerned about their outward appearance, their skin beauty, and they're looking for so many ways, spend so much money on skin health and outer health. And Alphameta has the perfect solution for that, because you can put as many creams and lotions onto your outside skin as possible, but you still have to regenerate those skin cells over and over again because they're damaged from ultraviolet light, from all the free radicals in the system and the toxins. So the Alphameta provides just the right ingredients in order to produce these new skin cells, to keep your skin looking vital, to keep it optimal, to keep it healthy looking so that it doesn't degenerate. So it's the key is from the inside out. As a result, your skin will look radiant, beautiful, and glowing. We actually did clinical research to show that with Alphameta, we could reduce the wrinkles in the skin and the fine lines in a matter of 1 to 2 months. We actually did human clinical trials in the United States with one of the foremost skin specialist medical doctors in the world, who's written so many books about youth and vitality and anti-aging. We were able to demonstrate in these human clinical trials that we could actually reduce these skin wrinkles, the depth of the wrinkles, as well as the fine lines in the skin with Alphameta.